are my woman. You are my bride to be. You have no fucking right to question my decisions.
You're crazy! You think you bought a car for me so you can just walk on me like a doormat? Leave my love life alone! Stay away from me, stupid.
I'm lying in bed with this girl. She gets a phone call from somebody. She says it's you. She's come to meet you. I follow her to the bar and she's with this bastard who works for me. Well, for information, madam, next week is the wedding and she better be ready by then. Else, all hell will fucking break loose.
The container that keeps the asset suffers.
Stop! You shouldn't be keeping...
Stop!
For how long are you going to keep this hatred in you? It's not going to help. Let go and live a life worth living.
God, you have no idea who Barbie is to me. You don't know what he's done for me. You don't know the kind of love he's shown me. I love him. I'm not prepared to let him go. I wouldn't do it.
I suspect this substance to be cocaine. What? Arrest him.
For fire and those who invade punishment do not forbid crying. As someone does who ran with my ancestors, the river turned not there where I was raised.
There is a curse on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. Selfishly protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own. You might end up planting the devil's seed.
If a man decides to know too much, the grave becomes his home.
There is a curse on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. Try to selfishly protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own. You might end up planting the devil's seed. The devil's seed could be a dangerous seed to plant. The devil's seed.
You are a better fool than me because you are a little boy. God born me, created me before you created me.
When a man becomes full of himself, oh, the devil sees.
This world is a very big place, but very small for the evil one. Be careful with your eye.
See my face. On the class Okodia, a girl, Unmokodia. You know Okodia. No, nonsense.
Sin devours the one who commits it. The girl says, make a wide drive. A drag
Akonya! I've been sent by the great chief and you asking me to sit down. Sit down for what?
There is a chaos on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. When you try to selfishly protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own, you might end up planting the devil's seed. The devil's seed could be
of Roses, verse 1, 2, and 3.
Go every length to have him because it's for my love I fight for. It's for my heart that I seek.
Be told, I'm already in love with your sister.
And it would be disastrous if you should break that promise. I will never let you go.
War of Roses, verse 1, 2, and 3.
He is the man I've been dying for all my life. No wonder your heart is full of lies and deceit.
He never proposed to you, did he? And besides, he never told me he was going out with you.
War of Roses, verse 1, 2, and 3.
You are too no Satan. Why am I misfit in my life?
You are a lion in disguise.
Stop it!
I've done nothing wrong. Jennifer never told me she loved me.
You asked her. Took away joy. Today, I revenge.
War of Roses, verse 1, 2, and 3. Women War of Roses, 1, 2, and 3. Our movie shop will be a to phone call. Thomas Production, Railways Kumasi.
How may I help you?
Please, I want to see your boss.
Any official appointment?
No, really.
May I know your name, please?
Gift.
Okay. I'm coming.
Hello. Yeah, master. Sir, yeah, a lady called Gift to want to see you. I don't know. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye. We can now go in. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Simon. The line went over by a Okay, no problem. Just come over. Let's negotiate. Mr. Simon, you like everything the cheap way. You, no problem. I know. Business is about bargaining, so no problem. Come in, let's talk. Let's negotiate. Okay, sir. Thank you. All right. Bye. Yes. Afternoon, young lady. How can I help you? Can you sit properly?
Don't worry. For free.
Sit properly. Yeah, you just sit properly. Just put your leg down for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. How can I help you?
Sir, actually, I'm looking for an employment and I heard you are looking for sales representatives.
Well, it's true, but I was, not anymore. I mean, I just employed a girl yesterday, so I'm afraid there is no vacancy.
Please, sir, so can't you do anything about this situation?
No, I really wish I could. I mean, will you put your leg down? Okay?
Don't worry, I'm a woman and you are a man, so feel free and let's talk. Even if you want me to do anything so that...
There is nothing that can be done. Young lady, I have a lot of work to do.
Please,
so
sir.
if you can just excuse me.
Sir, please.
Sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. I don't have any job. Can you just... Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, sir.
Get out! Get out of my office!
Oh, sir,
Please leave! What do you take me for? In my own office, get out!
Oh, sir.
Just stay here, come on! And you, what's wrong with you? Why did you let her in my office?
I'm sorry, sir.
Why didn't you scan her first? I mean, look at what she's wearing. Wouldn't you do something about it? You're just sitting there looking in the mirror. You lose your job next. You get me to seize her and file, please.
I'm coming.
What nonsense is that? are you? How are you? It's good to see you.
I'm managing.
Yeah? It's good. What are you doing?
I was in the city, Kumasi.
Wow.
Hey, Junior.
What are you doing in the village?
Junior, after trying my hands on so many jobs in the city, I didn't succeed. So I had to return back to the village to see what fate has in store for me.
I really sympathize with you.
Right now, I'm jobless. I wanted to, to try some farming. Couldn't.
Obviously, you don't like it.
Not at all. Man, you are looking great. And you bought this car?
Yeah, it's my car. Don't worry, Richie. Don't worry. I was at the house today, and I gave you a car. I could have given you another one here, but it's finished.
Julia, listen. If there's any help that you can, please just help me.
Hey, that's okay. I give you a car. So when you go back, collect the car. Call me.
I will do that.
I will get back to this, and then I will arrange something. You come to I'll be grateful. You will like that.
I'll look great. Okay.
You keep it up. Keep the halfway.
Junior.
So don't forget to call me.
I'll call you.
Later.
Junior. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Trying to help Richard. But however, I think it's a wrong idea for you to introduce him to the same business. That is where my problem lies. But if you say it's not going to bring any problem, fine. I don't have anything to say.
Let me know what you think.
Junior. See, this is more of a family issue, and I don't want to meddle myself in it. But, however, I agree with what Mommy is saying.
I thought you'd be on my side. Guys, I don't think this should be a problem. Right? For me, Richard is like a brother. Ma, you know that. He's like a brother to me, and I mean, I was really moved by what I saw when I went in the village. And I want to help Richard to come up. I mean, we are all a family. I don't think it should be a big issue.
Okay. Fine. If you say so. If you think it's not going to be a problem, I don't see it as a problem too. So, let's not argue over this. I want to go and see that friend of mine who sells clothes. Brother, can you see me off?
Okay, I'm already dressed anyway.
Okay, I'll see you later, okay?
Alright, later.
Take care.
Don't think too much. What is it?
This is my house.
Captain of Israel's hosts and guide of all who see. Beneath thy shadow we abide, the cloud of thy protecting love. Our strength, thy grace, our rule, thy word. Our Junior, you are
Junior, your mom is the next Diana Ross, trust me.
Yeah, this guy. Richard! Love you, what? How are you?
I'm fine.
Put your back down. Hey, you've grown up. Oh,
Richard, sit in the chair.
you've grown up.
Oh, man.
Richard, so how's your father?
Oh, he's doing well.
And your mother?
She too, man.
Are they still working on that farm?
Yes.
Hey, these people. Hey, you are now a big man. I want from that beard.
I'm sure you guys soon.
So, Richard, this is the new place, okay? This is where we live. You know Mara already, that's the name of fiancé. I talked to her about you, right?
Yeah, Linda, that's my cousin, Richard.
Okay.
He'll be living here with us for a while.
You're welcome.
Yeah, with us.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy your stay here.
Oh, yes, very well. This is heaven on earth.
Richard, it is your home. So feel comfortable, okay?
Alright, Mom.
Good. If Junior is my son, you are my son too.
Alright.
So feel at home.
Alright, Mom.
Linda, take him to the guest room.
Let me get you something.
Oh, that's good of you, my sweet girl. That's very much. Hey. Is that all your bags and packages you brought?
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
Linda, give him a couple of my shirts, okay?
Alright.
Hey.
You change. I'm sure you change with time.
Look at me now. Look at me now. By God's grace, I'm in a mansion now. All by my son's sake. Oh my God. Answer every man's prayer. And let all mothers do learn how to pray. And then they are coming. That strength.
Thank you. I'm excited.
I'll wait to follow you with that.
Junior, I must admit I admire your kindness and your humility. You're such a wonderful person.
And sometimes I just sit back. I mean, you've been here. I think about how close we were when we were little boys, running around butt naked and stuff like that. Yeah, I think we should still be close like this till eternity. It's a really good sign.
Yeah, that's very great of you, Junior. Now, what about the business?
The business?
Yep.
I'm an international businessman. I import goods, especially supermarket stuff. That's what I do.
Very, very great of you. That's great.
Yeah? And I want to introduce you to that business. Same business that I do. But Richard, I want you to know that nothing good comes easily. And good things come to only those who wait. Nothing good comes easily.
Junior, these are part of my philosophies in life.
It's good to know that. It's really good to know that. So, since you really don't know the business yet, I'm going to implore you to work for me for, I'm not sure for how long, but until you understand the business, right, you'll be working for me. And when you do, I will help you establish your own stuff, your own business.
Junior, look, from today onwards, you are my boss. Thanks.
I'm your boss.
Oh, thank you very much. Junior, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. That's cool. So, let's drink to our friendship. A toast. Say something.
To the good health and success of our friendship.
Right on. To brotherhood.
To brotherhood.
Brother man.
Brother man.
Those at work, are they treating you well?
Oh, yes, boss. Yes.
It's good. It's good. When was the last time you called your folks?
Actually, last week Friday, sir.
And how are they doing? They're fine?
Yeah, actually.
Excellent. So how you find the job?
It's very demanding, but at the same time interesting, you know. You just have to pay attention and that's all.
Okay. I'm glad to know that you know that. You need to be very careful because some customers can really outweigh you. So keep your head up and keep doing the good job you're doing, okay?
All right, sir.
Right on.
Boss! I'm so grateful. Thank you very much, boss. Boss. Good morning.
Richard. I have such a bad headache.
Sorry, boss. I'm ready to go to work.
Oh, really? Yes, I'm not sure I can go to work today. I don't feel too well at all. So, you have to go ahead. Alright? Take a cab.
Okay.
You take one of the cars.
Alright.
Yeah, and then go to the store. I'll call you later.
Alright, boss.
And then go to the store. I'll call you later.
Alright.
Keep me posted on what happened, okay?
Okay, boss.
Alright.
So should I buy some drugs when I'm coming?
No, that's alright. I'll be fine.
Okay. Alright. Take care, bye-bye.
Alright. Call me.
are you?
I'm fine. Are you going out?
Yes.
With the car?
Yes, of course. I just want to rush to the shop.
Anyway, is Junior inside?
Yes, he's in there.
I heard he wasn't feeling well, so I'm going to check up on him.
Hi. See? Maybe I can just pay you a visit one day.
Number 25, Patasi Estate.
25 Patasi Estate. Thank you very much.
From here.
Can I drop you there?
No, don't worry, it's not far. I just feel like taking a walk.
No, come on. A beautiful lady like you shouldn't be walking just like that. Just hop in, okay?
Yes, darling.
You wouldn't mind. I just want us to get somewhere and find something to eat first, huh? Have some lunch. What do you think about that? Huh?
Actually, I didn't want to do that, but please.
Boss. Richard, you got me really scared here. What happened? I called the office and said you never showed up. Why? Boss, I'm really sorry. I had a little problem on my way. What problem? I mistakenly hit a drunkard in the car. So I had to rush him to the hospital. Where is he? He's in the hospital? No, he's been discharged. He's fine? Oh, because I want us to go and see him. No problem. He's been discharged. You still should have called me. Call me to say what the problem is, and I could have been there to help you out. Boss, I didn't want to bother you. I didn't want to, Anyway, it was a minor one. Next time, please call. And be more careful when you're driving. Alright, boss. If there's a problem like that, call me.
Alright, boss. I heard you.
What about the bill?
Oh, well, I've filled the bill.
You settled the bill?
Yeah, I've settled everything. Alright. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Please. A phone call won't hurt. Whether I'm sick or not, just place one phone call. You got me really scared to death.
I'm sorry. It's very unfortunate.
Alright.
So how are you? How are things?
Yeah. They're okay. I mean, I was just scared back here and worried about you. Because the office guys were all friends and they didn't know what was happening.
Very unfortunate. Alright, boss, I just want to check something inside.
That's okay, alright, fine.
Okay. But Richard, remember I told you I was going to go to Dubai with you next week?
Oh, yes, boss. I quite remember.
Unfortunately, I can't.
Oh, boss, what happened? Did I do something wrong?
No, I mean, it's not anything serious. It's just that I discussed with Mom, and in her opinion, she thinks that you shouldn't come along with me this time around. But having said that, you will go with me to Singapore. That is my next trip.
Alright, no problem. Boss time is the best.
You sure you're okay with it? You're not disappointed?
I'm cool, boss. I'm cool.
Okay. I wish you could go with me too, but I listen to Mom a lot. She's been a great pillar when it comes to my success. So I don't joke with what she says to me. Besides, it would be quite useless for you to come along with me. It looks like a waste of money and all of that. But I can promise you, Singapore trip, you coming with me.
No problem. Thank you very much, boss.
You sure you're not going to hold this against me?
Nah, boss. Let's see that.
All right, cool.
Let's see that.
Okay. Yeah. So then, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take care. Have a good night.
You too.
Honestly, I'm going to miss you. Not me alone.
I'll call her every day. You don't have that, I'll call you.
Okay. See you, my son. Have a safe journey.
Thank you.
God be with you. Alright. I'm going to see him up right back. I'm not going to eat right now and I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Goodbye, take care.
Take care too. Riding safe.
Surprise you one day.
Come on, have a seat.
Alright, thank you.
Anyway, how's Mama?
Oh, the house is cool.
And the shop?
The shop too is moving on smoothly.
Good, good. So, why are you here? Did Junior call you to give me a message?
Far from that,
Linda, I care so much about you. So I thought you'll be lonely at home. That's why I've come to keep you in company, right?
I see. Anyway, relax. Watch TV. I'm so sorry I didn't prepare anything today, so back to bed.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So what's on TV?
I hope you don't mind, but I prefer you sitting over there. Thank you.
Linda, please just come down, okay, and listen to what I have for you, right?
I'm listening.
I'm very, very serious about what I'm about to tell you.
How could that be?
I love you so much. More than you can imagine, Junior does.
Excuse me, my friend, are you mad? Are you crazy? Do you just realize what you just said? Do you even know what you're saying?
Linda, just come on.
Get your phone out of me.
Come on.
Stupid boy like you.
Linda. Look, let me just show you.
Get out of my house now! How dare you have the impudence come and tell me you love me? Are you crazy?
Look, what? God damn it. Let me show you another way of...
My friend, get out of my house, stupid boy.
Linda, you're pushing me?
I said leave my house! Leave my house before you'll be very sorry. Leave my house!
It's okay.
Stupid boy.
Listen, no matter what, I still love you, okay?
Don't let me use it back on you, understand?
Cool, baby.
Can you imagine? Foolish boy. Junior will surely hear about this. Hey! Look at this boy Junior has taken care of and is now looking fresh. So he thinks he has the guts to come and talk to me. Junior will surely hear about this. He'll surely hear about this. What am I even talking about? What am I saying? Look at this poor boy. If I go and tell Junior about this, there'll be confusion in his family. And he'll stop his financial assistance for him. And all the blame will be put on me. God. What am I going to do?
Nothing wrong with the car. Huh? Boss, there's something serious that we need to talk about.
What is it?
Boss, there has been a conspiracy in your own house to kill you as soon as you return.
A conspiracy? Who are those involved? Do you know those who are involved?
You just calm down, okay? Just calm down.
Well, I'm trying to. Just tell me who is involved.
That is why I didn't want to tell you first. But your life is at stake, so I've got to.
Go ahead.
Boss, I know you won't believe what I'm about to tell you. What I saw with my own naked eyes. I was preparing to take my bath, when all of a sudden, all of a sudden I spotted your own mother sneaking into your room. And I suspected something fishy. So I secretly went in to spy and know what was going on.
And what was going on? What did you see, Richard? Richard, what did you see?
I saw your own mother. Your own mother chanting on a particular object.
My mother?
Yes.
Chanting?
Yes.
My mother chanting?
Now, I know you never believe me until you see things with your naked eyes yourself. You see, you are more than a brother to me, and I don't want to lose you. But this world is dangerous.
Are you sure about what you're saying, Richard?
Boss,
are you certain?
I know you would never believe me, but God is my witness.
Okay, Richard, just drive on.
All right, boss. Come and see it for yourself. Jesus Christ. Boss, you can come. Come on. Hey, boss.
What is that? Who put that thing there? My mother?
Mother.
What is it?
The charm I told you about.
Where is she? Ma! Odiko, thank you. My eldest, thank you very much.
I didn't know that we live in such a wicked world. It was only recently that I've come to realize that the world is full of evil. The lady you see sitting here is supposed to be my mother. My own mother. I've always looked up to her for inspiration and hope. And she's shown me love and care for as far back as I can remember. She's always been there for me. But my eldest, until recently, I've come to realize that she is nothing but a wolf in sheep's clothes.
Junior. Ocean, you are home, that's it. You are home, that's it. Catch a junior, sir. You are some bad. They say, you can't some, you can't. Now, some or person can't some train. More from Nancy. So and I say, can you, why can you? Come on, some you want it. Why, something consequence.
I traveled for 1 week. I went overseas. And when I came back, I realized, I found out that this woman planned to kill me by ritual means. She... What is it?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. What you call Butchie? What did now trip? Why, and mammy, what comfort to find Yankumati, never send them one. Now, it's okay. To mammy, no more. What you say? The glad things of it. New different. Nah, you see me here. Me can't say
cry.
Yeah, I'm busy now when I'm going to drama for.
Because I'm saying, man, for as someone you dear be, I have some Cassipa. Me ding you, crew. Yeah, I mean, say, me ding so. Now, since me did, Sasam is sick. Oh, what that was to some way. You see, the Peter, but saying, Nafi, na Sasam is me. Tell me, the main country. Asama, Ubay, but so young. Now, Mukwe, Mimidi, Okroma, Odikru. Amidi, Mukwe, Amiti, Makuliso, Sanity, Mukwe. Make sure you tell us the truth. Can't grab.
Hello, Miss Nakasa.
I'm ready for someone in the Kasaka crack.
Kasan Yetie.
Mijino Casio Hatta Srianim. Legend penny for my name. Said you am a bay AK. My name was she. A penny for my name was she. You can't have been sending. Me who cried dreaming was someone the bay and sugar way. Nana. What did you? It's a man to me slow. I'm a walk of a and then Mendono, Junior, yes, I'm a dog.
To hell with your fake love. I've made my stand very clear. I'm not interested in being to be seen as a son anymore.
Oh.
I'm on my own, and for me, she's not my mother. Full stop. Obeying interview. Now, so we be chia, nature, qua. Maybe to be tassy. Money chill. Now, what's all Money. As I said, at your money. A beans where you call you Sudan. And I am so a indeed. Me coming along, I'm say, the toes yo. Oh, no, I don't want to see a crew. And not
liking the job and everything, right? I'm enjoying it very, very well. And the registration of the company was excellent. I think down the goods on ICs.
yeah, so prepare. That's what are you doing here? What do you want here? What are you doing in my house, Linda? Look at this devil. Look at this devil.
You call me a devil?
Yes, you a devil. I call you a devil.
Junior, what is wrong with you?
I'm crazy. I'm stupid. That's what. I'm stupid. How could you betray the love and trust I have for you? How? What happened? How come?
Junior, just stop all of these allegations and tell me what I've done to you.
You ask me what you've done to me. She's asking me what she's done to me. Tell her. After you conspired with mother to kill me. To kill me.
Christ!
You ask me what you've done to me? And you tried to seduce Richard in sleeping with you? You ask me what you've done?
That's a lie! Richard! Is that what you told him? Is that what you told him after you tried to seduce me and I refused?
Look at this face of a liar.
You regret this.
Look, aren't you the one who showed me your house? Did I know your house? Huh? Look, if you have any apology to render, you better render it now before it's too late. There'll be no need for that. No need for apologies. I'm not willing to listen. That's all. 10 years is what I have right now. Just leave my house.
Oh, Junior, wait.
This is the house I'm in, and I said leave here.
Listen.
I don't want to see you anymore. Why are you sitting down? I said get out. Don't make me get rough. Just leave.
Junior, how could you believe I'll do that? Fine. I'll leave. God.
Just go.
But Junior, you regret this.
Get out.
And as for you, God will surely punish you.
Look, what you did was the right thing, okay? You take it easy, huh? Cool down, alright? I can't believe all of this. It's serious. Can you believe it?
Come in. Mama's here. I'm finished. What is it? God. Hey! Please talk to me. What is wrong? Junior has disgraced me to the anti-crook and the entire village. That I have conspired with you to kill me. So I've been expelled from the village. Do such a thing like this. Where do I go, God? What did I do? Please. Mommy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I succeeded.
All right. Oh, it's it. What's this? Hold on. I was just thinking, man. I really appreciate what you've done for me, honestly. You've proven to be a true brother. You know, and I was just thinking. The only way I can really pay you back is to make sure you are as successful as I have been. Because I don't see any other way, man. I don't know what I can do to really show you that I appreciate what you did for me. Boss, thank you very much for thinking positively about me. I'm so grateful. That's good. I'm going to Singapore in 3 days, and I want you to come with me. Get ready for success. Singapore? Right? Yes. So what I'll do, I'll give you a check. Use the money to register your own company. Okay? In your own name. sure you do that. Boss, so what are the implications? I just said it. Next time, the goods that will come down here will be in your company's name. That means you have your own bank account. Oh, I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing you having a bigger house than mine. Boss, you are my boss. No, I care, man. Not for long, Richard. Not for long. So, I just want to tell you, to succeed in life is not easy. So, I want to tell you that when we come back, make sure that whatever opportunity you've got, make good use of it. And you will be successful. On our return, expect to see riches. Boss, I don't even know what to say. I'm so grateful. May God richly bless you, boss. Right. I mean, you are my boss, my chairman. Tomorrow I'll give you the money. Okay? All right, boss. Thank you very much. Make sure you put everything in place. Okay. The future is ahead of you, and it's in your hands. All right, boss. Of course. I've heard you. 5-1. 2-6. 2-6. Up to 6.
I'm going minister. The catcher said, community center, in your cement, and energy. Until our promise is said, I'm young, the Chinapa, and Baba. Now, cement, no way order. For next week. Now, my community center.
You that's a bit. So they just said, Richard. Tomato barefoot. Sampanisi. So a sunset. No one sansa. There is a show. The very child to fight. According to your soul. Ukumaka seal. Neither knowing someone for no pay up. Only a abora or a year. Was for Baya. Ukraine son. And I'm much over the country. Indikai, Ukraine, a professor which is now. You're talking to us, sir. I will just say, and Australia. Every time we went to here, that was what you said. We are Uchiska. Some will say, Dollar, no, Yami, and so on. And I yet, the come out, the little Kumaka say, they want. But bien, we are so about Paye, as a pound sign, and you have no pain. I'm a baby Biaka. That's enough. That's enough.
Abranti ama mania cheat. Ochami. Oh, the Diana. Say, man, ma. I believe in them. One more better she sama. Oh, see to do. Aquile, come on. Tina Papa. And the son of your back. $3. I said, you are sick $1. Richard. Sorry, Richard. Oh, yeah, D. We are Bema. I'm a shop. That's a lot of me shop. That's a lot of me. That's a lot. Sika. Your daddy. Your friend is a dollar. I know it's the window. I mean, shop. What? I mean, shop. I mean, shop. I mean, shop. So they come on. So you have to buy it.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yes, sir. Is this DSP Awoni? Yes, boss. I want to launch a complaint. One of my boys, well, actually my brother, he's been missing now. Well, actually, the last time I saw him was when I sent him to the bank. I told him to go and catch some huge amount, and since then I've not seen him. I've been very worried, so I thought I'd call and launch the complaint. I suspect probably he's been hijacked by some armed robbers. You want me to come down to the office? Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I'm on my way. Nana.
Besame suma ko Junior. Junior. Aye mami Nimo Junior. Wo akukasi. Catcher ni say Ninia Richard ba mimi wo wa yimfia. Be kan nsam bi wa ansam no o se me frɛ no na obeyi ano. The catcher no say omra yimfia. Omeyi na. Catcher ni say Nana eni abripa. Asami da ho na cheni windawa emotion we oh yeah asami jaba na say point wo Junior fitting ora brem awunyina bingu tamna ya wo na we pecha baby na wujo mishwa oya kola pa ubibia da phone ding afei eba nsen ana wasisa
Kiko, it's not like that. I'm surprised at what you're saying. Because my life hasn't changed. I'm the same old Junior that you know. Polite, calm, that's me. That's the kind of person I am.
Cesaria,
adent na uni unya o progressi uye tuma adem na uhana dwisa uhana dwisa even ma ko complain ma police for say engine say wobisa atuma oni ye wobisa say onya ono suni part the chafa because of that you know what will you report to a police station? It's a police want you.
I'm even shocked. Is that what you came to tell the elders? Is that what you told the elders? I'm shocked. Because I sent him with my car, my Pajero, to go and cash some money at the bank. Huge sum of money. Go and cash the money and come back. And Richard disappeared. Being the concerned person that I've always been, looking after Richard, who I consider to be my brother, I called the police not to arrest him, but to find him. Because I thought he was hijacked by some armed robbers. That's why I called the police, to look for him.
So you're telling me that I'm a kid? That I don't know my way through the city? Is that what you mean? Huh? Look, don't we have messengers in the office? And stop referring that car as your car. That car is mine, okay? It's not yours.
It's my car. Yeah. When did you come to the city to own a car? Do you know the number? Do you know the chassis number of that car?
Do you also know the number?
It's my car.
God damn it. Nana. He's just a damn liar. He's lying. Asama. Walk out. What he's saying is not true. There you go. Mami Samu. Now goods now about ports no. Winding the dasu. Ayo wudin the dasu and wudin the winding the dasu and I said a ding bend the dasu and I'm guessing no says here.
What do you call the goods at the harbor? They are in a joint company's name, but the company is mine. It is my company. When did Richard come to the city to own a company? It is in my company's name.
Nana,
let me finish.
Finish what?
I'm only trying to help him. That is what I was trying to do.
God save us. Oh my God.
My elders, I want to make a point.
Go.
Why not? I didn't know goose maybe something. Goose never pot no. I would dinner also an answer, waiting also an answer, dinner also. Why did also?
That is what I was trying to say. The goods at the harbor, they are in a company's name, joint name, but it is actually my company. I was only trying to help Richard. I was trying to introduce him to the business. So I told him, let's register 2 names so that eventually he can have his own company and I'll have mine. But it's my company. Everything is for me.
Nana, both of them. Nana, excuse me. Nana, please. I don't want to do anything stupid here. Just keep quiet, okay? You're lying. You told me that you're lying. Nana, how can you not know, boy? How can you not eat and drink one another? I need a break. Someone will come. Who say, yeah, it's here. It's you. Huh? I can't take it. Now, maybe take me. No, come and sweet. Me pinida. And look, I'm leading me in it. Tea, make tea. Moko, Krukesuma. Number 1. Go Oyi Assembly Police Station. No giant Richard Howe. 2. Goods no. Ni company ni bibiano or Christian. Chum munchum fa. Also Gini parts. So now suju parts.
Thank you.
50. I cannot share what I suffered for with Richard. Not 50-50, not 95-5 or 98-2. That will not work. It is mine and I'm not giving it to him.
It is not yours.
Okay? Yes, it's mine.
Now listen, watch your filthy mouth, okay?
No, you watch your mouth. You watch your mouth.
You cannot. Just a day. Just now you are a right man.